Welcome back to the channel DMwithKarl. And in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes so that you guys can see my YouTube studio setup. So many of you have been asking me to share my setup with you. So today I'm going to walk you through how I make my YouTube videos and what is included in my setup. So the first thing I'm going to show you, we're going to walk across here and I'm going to show you the camera that we're using. So we're using the Sony Alpha 6400. We've got the 18-135 lens on here. We do sometimes film with the Sigma 30mm lens, a 1.4, get that nice blurry background. But at the moment we want a wider shot, so we're shooting with the 18-105. It's a nice versatile lens. And then we've got our sound plugged in here, and that comes through to our Boya mic. It's a BM6060 or 6060, up to you. And we try and get that as close as we can. And we're using the wireless Boya mics. That's the lapel mic here. So we always record with 2 sets of sound. There's been far too many occasions where we've recorded an entire video and then realized that the sound hasn't come out quite right, or we haven't actually turned the sound on, or the batteries die in the sound. So my advice to you is always have 2 sources of sound. Even if you use your cell phone, when we first started out, we were plugging into our cell phone and recording that second audio on our cell phones. Then we've got 2 nice big lights here that light me up really nicely. They are the Godox SL60W, really nice lights, and on a budget, it's really easy to get going. We've just got these umbrellas here on at the moment. We want to get the soft boxes, but they are a bit expensive. So at the moment, we're just using these umbrellas. They're really cheap and easy to set up, and they slide in quite nice and easily. And then we have our second camera setup where the Canon M50 is normally on here to get our B-roll and our second shot from another angle. And then we've got our trusty desk here, our MacBook Pro, which we're normally reading our script from, or our video outline. And then I'm normally sitting here with a nice blue background that you guys are so used to. So it's a very nice basic setup. And then the last thing that I want to show you is we have a backlight, and all that does is it separates me from the background really nicely. It gives that lining at the end and pulls me off from the background, which is what we really want. If you have any questions or queries about our setup and anything that we do, please let me know. I'll link to everything down in the description so you can check it out if you would like to. Those will be affiliate links, and if you want to support the channel, that's a great way for you to support us, because we love creating these videos for you guys and we want to keep creating these videos for you. If you have any videos that you want us to create, let us know in the comments down below, and then we can create those videos. Also, if you have any questions about any of this gear, let us know down below. Thanks so much for watching and always supporting the channel, and when you're ready for the next video, you can check it out right here.